There you go. I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together, we're
We're Phil's
Phil's
to
to
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Two countries.
One heart. So welcome to the weekly Chika Chika.
And as you can see, we're actually still working on that introduction. It's getting a lot smoother.
It's on progress. So yeah, as a recap last week, what we did, I just started my school or if people don't know, I started my master's degree in accounting. So yeah, it's a little bit tough, but it's surviving with 8 to 5 work. And then yeah, I started doing my classes, assignments, starting writing out my thesis, and
Now, this is your fourth class you've taken, right?
now it's
Third
my
class?
sixth.
Oh, sixth?
Yes.
Wow, you're further into this than I thought.
So hopefully I'll be graduating in 2019 by July.
2019, but
Yeah, 2019. So 7 more classes.
Oh, very cool.
So you don't know that? Now you know. So now you know.
I knew a lot of that. They may not have known a lot of that.
Yep.
But we actually had a talk this week, and we've tried to figure out how to fit this back into our schedule so that we can make a very realistic attempt at getting 3 of these a week posted.
Yeah.
Continuing to do the Monday night Chika Chika.
That's correct.
Continuing to do kind of a Wednesday recap, weekends on Wednesdays.
Yeah.
And do some kind of video on a Friday. Originally, we were doing the flashback Fridays, doing some of the old videos that we'd taken when you first got here.
Yeah.
And we pretty much cleaned all those up to the point where we haven't got a whole lot. I don't think there's anything left that we've actually not went back and reviewed.
We might see. We'll see.
But we're going to have to get a little creative and figure out what we can do on Fridays. This Friday, we're going to get a 10 tips video.
Yeah, we will do that.
And that's part of what this channel was supposed to be about, is how we're managing to blend these cultures together and some of the issues that happen to arise.
Yeah, that's true. It's actually really interesting when you married with like yeah, American into Filipino. It's really interesting. There's just a lot of struggles, and we will put tips in that so that we will work on that one too, so people can be aware and they have some precautions.
Yeah, this week's going to be the tips on communication.
Yes, and then yeah, the past few days, finally my mom got, and both of my parents finally got the annual physical checkup.
Their very first
for the entire life. So it's like it's scary for them, and it's scary for me to know what their illness is. So yeah, I'm really struggling with that too, like trying to convince them for the past 3 years, or like over for those past years. So, and finally they went to the doctor. So it's just not easy, and it's not easy to convince, and like monitoring them with a time difference, and monitoring my other brother, oldest brother, and it's just because I have other 3 brothers I need to talk, and I feel like I spend much time with them talking than talking to my husband, and sometimes we have like a meltdown.
Had a couple of those.
So yeah, but I'm grateful. I'm grateful for him, and then I'm grateful for my parents. Finally, they decided, and yeah, I'm not really comfortable sharing what's their illnesses right now. Maybe in the future, but they're
But the big thing is we found out what they are, and now we know how to treat what's going on.
Yeah, that's true.
And help them live a lot longer life.
That's true, and I also have faith in God that everything will be alright, and just be prepared in all circumstances, right?
That's correct.
Yep, because you never know, so that's the reality. So anyways, so aside from that, what else we do? aside from my classes,
Oh, you went and picked up your work's doing the backpack giveaway, and
oh
each
yeah,
team got assigned a backpack to fill up. And
yeah, it's actually really cool. We actually paychecks as part of the charity committee. We actually support the school. It's a Black Canyon National High School, so we give away backpacks and then what call that notebook?
North Canyon High School.
North Canyon, Black Canyon. See, I don't have a sense of direction or even the name of the school. It's really obvious I'm not from here, so just take note of that. I have a black hair and a brown skin. But anyways, that was it. And what else? What did we do?
This week, my brother came in. That
Yeah.
every year he comes over from Wisconsin and watches the Milwaukee Brewers during their spring training, and we
Yeah.
get to go down there and see them.
Yeah.
We had a really cool Saturday doing that, and then Saturday afternoon, as soon as we left Casa Grande, we came back up to North Scottsdale
Yeah.
and attended an epic event that is to benefit the 3000 Club
Yeah, that's actually
and their charity. The 3000 Club is a really cool charity
that's true.
that I'll let you explain it, because she actually was the office administrator for about a year.
Less than a year.
About.
With a volunteer. Yeah.
Yeah, you volunteered for about 4 months while you were
Yeah.
waiting for your
Green card.
work papers, and then
Yeah.
about 6 8 months
Yeah.
before you got the job at Paychecks.
Yeah,
So,
it was
about a year.
awesome. It was like I started with that company. It was the mother company of the Market on the Move. If you see some of my pictures in Facebook, it's actually if you donate $10, you will get 60 pounds of produce. And they also do. They actually everywhere in the valley. They normally go to churches, and they're Wednesdays and Saturdays from when does it normally start? Starts from
About 7 6.
yeah. So
When
yeah,
weather starts getting hot, they move it up to 6.
yeah, it was really a cool experience for me. I honestly say the 3000 Club helped me grow and helped me learn a lot of things, and yeah, I'm always grateful for the experience, meeting a lot of people and just be like be observant, and you will know where you are and you will know who you are if you see also other people volunteering. And it was a really cool experience. I got really more mature, like seeing the other side of a Filipino culture and seeing the American culture, and now working in Paycheck and also part of the charity committee.
Well, that was the advantage to the 3000 working at the 3000 Club. It's the Filipino charity.
Yes, that's also one thing.
It was started by the 3,000 Filipinos that offered $100 a month.
Yeah, for 3,000 members.
Right.
Yeah,
3,000
good.
members.
Yeah, and they also do like medical sorting, like medical aid. So
But they get a lot of
yes.
medical supplies donated that, because of various U.S. laws and such, they're not allowed to be used in the U.S. But countries like the Philippines, Mexico, Panama,
yeah,
that they'll gladly take these products that are still perfectly fine, but for whatever reason can't be used in the U.S.
That's true. Yeah, it's really a really awesome charity. They're a non-profit organization.
Oh, they're very cool.
Yeah.
And that's what the Epic event was. Is it's one of their annual fundraisers to help finance the charity, and it's very cool that Elizabeth from Jack Cares sponsored our table, and that we came in, and just had a really cool time. I'll try to. Really didn't get a whole lot of pictures. Got a little tiny bit of video, and that's probably going to go up on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have to figure out some other stuff because I really didn't get a whole lot of video.
I could share mine in the train.
Could do that. I would definitely be appreciated.
But yeah, that's our weekly recap, Chika. Hope you like it. What else?
Our vacation.
Yes, 53 days ago. I'm so excited.
Not that she's counting or anything.
It's in my app, on my phone, thanks to you.
But next Monday, not this Monday, but next Monday, we're going to be sending off the boxes to go back
Yeah.
to the
We need
backpack
to-
drive that we're going to be doing
We need to.
in her hometown. And if anybody would like to donate, that I'm going to try and set up a Patreon account
Yeah.
so that if anybody that's watching would like to donate even just a couple bucks, we're going to take as much stuff as we can in the Balak buy-in boxes, and next week's Chika Chika, that I'll include a couple pictures of what they looked like and what went with them.
Yeah.
But a lot of the supplies we can get were the routine supplies, pencils, paper,
Notebooks, crayons.
that type of stuff. We're just going to buy in the Philippines because we could do
Yeah,
a lot better financially getting
that's true.
the stuff's there.
That's
But the backpacks have already been donated. We've got some clothes that are being donated.
Yeah, a lot of them.
And we're getting some other donations going in that are American donations, food, candy, that type of things.
Yeah, chocolates. Yeah.
Chocolates. That's something very special over there and not something people would routinely go out and buy themselves.
That's true.
And so that's going on schedule and looks like it's going well. What else did we do? That's actually it.
That's it. And
We're starting to book hotels. We got most of the hotels booked.
yeah,
We're starting to come up with a list of the things we need to take and want to take for us.
that's true.
And that's it.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching this. Hope you like, subscribe.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
That's
And
true.
we will see you next week.
Thank you.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.